fire service everywhere.
Okay.
Hey guys.
Will
you stop? Hey guys, I'm Ryan. I'm gonna do some ramping now. And he's gonna be ramping too. Who, me? And Robbie Davids is gonna be camera. Let's go.
Edgy bike! Let's get my bike out of the way. 1 second.
1 second, peeps.
Don't hit the phone.
I didn't. You better remember the phone.
Okay, so the goat from up here, ramp this. Here comes Ryan. Here comes his.
Austin, this ramper! Whoa!
That was kind of shockish.
Angel David! That's the best ramp you've ever done!
Now as Ryan takes the phone, I'm going to be ramping. Or as Angie takes the phone, I'm going to be ramping.
Fine, I'll do it.
That was the best ramp ever for me.
Dude, I'll take it.
No, I'm good.